Hello, and welcome to this on-demand training series on sacramental record-keeping practices in the Archdiocese of Seattle. This series is designed to help you navigate the essential tasks and policies involved in maintaining accurate and trustworthy sacramental records. Each video focuses on a specific type of record or task, such as baptismal records, marriage records, making changes to records, and other key areas. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manage these important documents effectively. If you're new to this role, we recommend watching the videos in order. They'll provide a structured foundation and help you become familiar with the key concepts and tasks. If you're already experienced and just need a quick refresher, feel free to navigate to the specific video that addresses your questions or needs. This series is designed to support you no matter where you are in your role. For those new to sacramental record keeping, please note that these videos summarize the policies outlined in Many Gifts, One Spirit, the Archdiocese's Policies Handbook. While we'll cover the essentials, the videos are not a replacement for reading the full policies. Think of this series as an orientation or a starting point to help you become familiar with the key concepts and tasks. For your convenience, a link to the Sacramental Records section of Many Gifts, One Spirit is included in the video description, or you can scan the QR code on the screen using your smartphone camera to access the policies directly. Ready to begin? Start with the next video where we'll cover some of the basics of sacramental record keeping. From there, you can move on to the specific modules that interest you. Thanks for watching, and let's get started.